Hello, can you tell what's your name?
My name is Stefan Johnson.
Okay, Stefan, I have three questions about Aksako. For number one, what do you know about Aksako?
Aksafo is a yearly event from John Paul School. It invites lots of other schools from other places to join them in competitions and face them in competitions like futsal, basket, e-sport, modern dance. And it also, in the closing, there will be a guest star that will come to John Paul School and sing with us.
Okay, for number two, how was Aksako last year?
Last year, Aksafo, it was my first ever Aksafo. I didn't join any competitions, but I watched and saw a lot of friends and other schools compete with John Paul School.
Okay. For number three, what's the difference between last year Aksako and this year Aksako?
This year's Aksafo, it's very different from last year. The main difference is that this year we have new competitions for primary students such as storytelling, spelling bee, and drawing. And also there will be new guest star and much more people joining us in our competitions.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.